This is a facility that's the only one in the state of Texas that we do what we do. So it's unique in the sense that you can come learn these skills that you can't learn anywhere else. It being in the industry, so it's got some technical skill to it. You have to learn these things. You have to learn the procedures. You have to learn the safety. You have to learn to be able to work in cohesion with your coworkers. And so I think that's a big deal. You know, you want to get out, you want to use your hands, or you want to be good in the technical field, you need to be able to learn these type of things. So I'm looking forward to getting out and working with my brother and seeing what I can do to help. So being able to kind of critical think and be able to diagnose and be able to just kind of problem solve, you know, I can apply that to the world and doing things with it, whether it be mechanics, stuff like that I choose to be involved with. I hope to get the opportunity to be involved with. Being incarcerated, you need to, you know, have purpose. You need to have something that gives you significance, you know, and being able to come and be involved with people that treat you with respect, whether it be your coworkers or whether it be, you know, the staff, and they give you the opportunity to see a vision, to see a goal, you know, and have that purpose. I like being part of something. I like being part of something that's unique. I have some peers that I've developed here that you see every day that we come together and we have a goal and we attain that goal to reaching it together. So I really enjoy that, being part of something like that.
They assigned me here, but truth be told, I'm actually kind of grateful. It's been a really good experience out here. I've been down quite some time, over 20 years, so had a lot of different jobs in TDCJ, but have to say that industry is something that I'm really hoping to stay in for the next few years while I'm still here. It's been a really good experience for me in so many ways. It's the job skills. I mean, you know, we're hearing a lot about that obviously that's a big mission statement for TDCJ, and it should be a mission statement for all of us, that there's a lot of free world job skills that are taught out here, from warehouse work to forklift operation to welding, lots of things that you would see in a maintenance department you also see in different industries. Clerical work, computer work. It's not just assembly line work. A lot of people make assumptions about that out here, but there's a lot of different job skills for the free world that you can gain out here. I really feel a sense of purpose, as strange as that sounds, because you see that the product we make in the modern era is not some wacky, great thing that everybody's using. It's canvas shoes and it's vests for the officers and it's blankets, but it does that for me. I know Monday morning I got to get up and come to work pretty early. I like that. I like the idea of having a place to go, having that regimentation, having a schedule that's good like that. It does all that for me very much. I'm very big on programs. I've participated in a bunch of programs since I've been here and continue to, but I'm very big on work being part of that. I think that some people lose that. I hope they don't, but the idea that a work ethic and coming someplace and doing whatever it is, you make widgets, you make shoes, you know, whatever it happens to be, if you can get into something like that, and that it'll be good for you in the long run.